Hello guys, hello everyone, hello all the crypto and DeFi fans. Today, this is another video I'm doing because I found a new ROI contract on BSC scan which is called BNBYIELD, and we're gonna talk about it in a minute. Alright guys, so basically it looks a little bit like bnbstake, which was the first contract of its kind. I mean the first that was so popular. And then is that it lasted for like, I know, couple of weeks, and then we have a lot of these new contracts, a lot of clones. So you'll need to search through all of them and find maybe some of them which you like. I like this one because I like the YouTube contest idea, because well, YouTube videos are very important for this type of contracts. It's exposure they need, and it also has unique features that well, could prolong its life, so let's review it. So basically they say you can get from 8 to 20% daily. For every 24 hours interest rate will go up by 0.5% with no maximum, while withdrawal time will decrease by half a day. So it's like similar to fomostake, another one. So minimum day is 5, 19 days after project launch, and it will stay 5. So this is the cap they used. And total income based on your tariff plan will be from 8 to 20% daily, plus basic interest rate growing daily. So I guess your investment, your percentage will grow as well, and the minimum deposit is 0.05 BNB, and there is no limit. Also they have a rule, so this is the unique feature I was talking about: 30% reinvest wallet for sustainability whenever user withdraw, and we will talk about it, how it works, in a minute. Let's also look at the audit which was done by Hayes. So a good company doing audits, yeah, that's always important. So yeah, you have to pay for that. So yeah, I'm always looking for audits, and I like that Hayes Crypto has done it, because that counts. So more or less what is important for me is like contract owner fees. Launch date was April the 3rd, 16 GMT. So the fees are 5 and 5, so like standard, and it applies on both invest and reinvest functions. So yeah, this reinvest function will also pay the admin, so yeah, but the guy did it, so yeah, he deserves it. You don't have to join if you don't want to. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only showing you what I think, what was my opinion, and do your own research, because before you invest, because yeah, that's your money. I'm not your mother to tell you what to do. All right, so there are 6 investment plans. The profit is floating. Float plans, yeah. They also have a referral system which is 10 level deep. So, but the total percentage is 10.5. If you sum it up, and you can get commission without even depositing into the project. And which is also a unique feature, referral commissions are transferred directly to referral wallet, so automatically. And they also apply on invest and reinvest function. And if you want to reinvest, I mean, how does the reinvest system work? So 30% of your withdrawals, when you withdraw, like you want to withdraw 1 BNB, you'll get 0.7 BNB, and 30% will go to your reinvest wallet from which you'll choose a plan and you can reinvest into whatever plan of your choosing, and yeah, owner and uplines will get commission. Okay, so that's, you can read all of it if you want. You can also go to their Telegram channel, just to see, maybe ask some questions, talk with the owners. You can do that. Yeah, so yes, advisable. This YouTube contest, well, in order to take part, you'll need to follow these rules. Yeah, but I like it, because this thing's exposure, and I guess this thing can, like a lot of YouTubers will do these videos, to get some extra rewards. And if we go to contract, which I always do, and you should do it as well, you'll see the balance that we have right now. So yeah, it's growing exponentially. Yeah, it's very good for the first day. I mean, it's not even 24 hours since launching. You can go here and see. Yeah, let's see how much people are depositing. So yeah, different quantities. Okay, let's go to the last transaction. So we'll see how old this thing is. Yeah. So the first transaction was 7 hours ago. So it's fresh. Okay. So these are the plans, and if you choose the first plan, it will pay you the total return will be 69%, 20% daily, but take into account the reinvest function. So yeah, it's all right, I guess. These plans will, you won't be paid every day, every moment here, because here you can withdraw, freely your dividends, your what you're gonna earn, accumulate here. But here, choosing these plans, they will compound somehow, and they're like compounded plans, and you'll get everything at the end of the plan. And also when you withdraw, you'll pay you'll need to 30% will go to reinvest function. So, but only after the plan, because then you'll be able to withdraw. So yeah, that's more or less how it works. You can also get some kind of presentation here in 4 languages, which is nice. Yeah, I like when it's the website and everything works, and it's informative, and you have a presentation that's very nice addition. I'm not sure if it works already. Alright, my computer is just very slow. Recently my hard drive was just broke, and yeah, this is a backup. Yeah, so as you can see, it's a nice presentation. Yeah, the referral levels, all 10 levels. The first level, which is the most crucial, they've done 10 levels, but the 4% is not too high, so I guess it's thought true. And yeah, I like it, because the most important thing, this is this thing to spread, and we need people for that, YouTubers, influencers. So yeah, if they like that, and they should, then this thing can be successful. Okay, so more or less we've covered this. And if you are fresh and don't know how to use Binance Smart Chain, you can basically use it on, you need 2 wallets. I mean, you need a wallet compatible with BNB BEP-20 type. So first of all, you'll need to buy it on Binance, and then deposit it to the BEP-20 compatible wallet, which are, for example, MetaMask. And the second one I use is Trust Wallet, but there's also a Binance wallet, there is a SafePal wallet, and there are many others. But the 2 most popular are MetaMask and Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is pretty simple to configure. Just need to add Smart Chain BNB to your tokens, and then go to that browser and select Binance Smart Chain. But in order to do it on MetaMask, yeah, wait a minute. Yeah, you'll need to add this custom RPC. So you'll go here. You'll go here and wait a minute. First of all, you need to install MetaMask as an add-on to your Chrome browser, or other browsers are compatible as well, like Brave browser probably. And you'll need to add this custom RPC. The description, it will be in the description how to set it up, but you'll have to go here and choose custom RPC, and here you'll need to put everything like this. Yeah, like this, right? And then it will work. And then when you have already, you'll need to copy the address and deposit BEP-20 BNB, not the other one, the usual type BEP tool, the BEP-20 one. You'll see the special field in Binance to because the address will be like Ethereum. So that's what you need to do in order to start. You can go to Twitter, you can go to Telegram, you can ask questions if you have them. I know that's more or less it. I guess maybe I'll do an update video soon to show you my progress. Yeah, guys, just do your own research. Remember, these things will work until there is balance. And right now the balance is growing very nice, so that is why I decided to go in, because I looked at many different platforms that are starting, and this one I found it very interesting because of unique features it has. Alright guys, take care. If you like this video, please give me a like, and see you soon.